Aw, man. Hit it too early.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 3 p.m. At 2:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cambridge, or 7 miles north of Edgerton, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Atkinson, Jefferson, Lake Mills, Edgerton, Johnson Creek, Cambridge, Lake Ripley, Lake Koshkonong, Albion, Milford, Utica, Rockdale, and Bustaville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A marine weather statement has been issued for the following areas: Lake Michigan near shore and over